Okay, a shot of the parking lot entering into the yacht club area. And I'm going to do a broad sweep here, turning around and watching traffic behind me. Okay, towards the port. All the boats. Brown Island in the background. Mount Baker possibly you could see on a clear day, but as you can see it's not a clear day. Okay, and then back down Front Street, up above Front Street, Whale Museum, 8-hour parking, and back to the yacht club. Okay, I'm going to take you inside.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for doing this.
Oh, no problem.
Appreciate it. Here's my card.
Okay.
Didn't realize Bruce is what, the commander?
Yeah, he's our Commodore this year.
Oh my gosh. One of my associates.
Now, your daughter, you guys know Chris and Sam?
Yes.
That's how the original contact came. Yeah, okay.
I'm going to put in a zoom lens here. And this would be the facility,
Yes.
the bar and the...
Yeah, and the kitchen, you know, it's not segmentable off or anything. I mean, you know, there won't be anybody else in here like it's you guys are having your event.
Oh, all right. It's just magnetic. All right. Could I also go into the kitchen and how would I...
It's, you know...
From that area, that's how I'd get into the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay, from the left.
Yeah.
And the door on the right is...
Okay, the right's over here. Mm-hmm. Okay, that door goes in. It's kind of like a storeroom that we've got some extra chairs in and blends and stuff like that. So,
all righty. Yeah. Mind if I turn on lights?
Go right ahead, right there.
Cool. Thank you so much, Gail, for your time.
You bet.
All right, from the front door, coming into the hallway, down the hallway, and then into reception area, which is first the bar, fully functioned, fully equipped, fully stocked, I'm sure.
But you guys don't get to use our stock.
Oh, all right. So, but we do not get to use their stock. All right. So here's the dining room. Beautiful wood floors. Do you know the dimensions of this room, Gail?
Yeah, it's about 60 to here. It's about 66 by 33.
Okay, so 33 width from left to right on this shot, and 60 from me to the back wall-ish. Of course, you have a lot of nice things on the walls. Shades are down. It's a gloomy day, but June will be gorgeous. Of course, looking back into the bar area from the dining room. A lot of nautical stuff here, of course. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 tables currently, seating for 6 on each right now. Okay. Oh, and the views are of the harbor. Wall of windows. Deck area in the outside, which is nice for those pretty summer days and your wedding. All right. Okay, back into the dining room. Areas for coffee, cake. I have been here for a wedding before, and the coffee and cake were in this corner. Doors to the outside. That's a storeroom door. And then into the kitchen area. Of course, stainless steel dishwasher area. Set up with kitchen, counters. I guess she's talked to you about plates and
Yeah, you guys get full use
silverware.
of plates and
Okay,
silverware.
so all the dinnerware, silverware, glassware would be used. We have a 6-burner commercial stove. More everything here. And then prep space, sink, microwave, all the plates. It's white porcelain. Salt, pepper shakers, plates, stagers, bowls. Ah, thank you. And more plates, smaller plates. Silverware, storage, floor. Okay, you need a dishwasher. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Oh, and then back out into the dining room area itself. Okay, just as a side note, we're still in the dining room, looking back towards the kitchen. But Gail just told me this area right here with the wood floor, the tables of course could be moved, and this would be the dance floor area, about 30 by 20-ish, 15, 20. And the bar itself would have to be manned by someone with a bartender's card. They could not be drinking while serving. You can get your own liquor with a banquet permit that you can get through
Any Washington State liquor store.
any Washington State liquor store. So you would buy your liquor, bring it with you. Glassware could be used from the facility here, but the bartender themselves, like I couldn't do it because I want to be part of the party, but they cannot be drinking and they would need to clean up afterwards. But they can get a permit, or if you know someone with a permit, certainly they would be used. So just wanted to let you know, they do have soft drinks available. If there aren't too many, it would be about a $15 charge-ish. So they have the facilities for you. All right, it's lovely. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, I couldn't help myself. Gail told me that if you are planning on hiring a caterer to come in with the food, that caterer will need licensing, their staff licensed and so forth, and pay sales tax accordingly. But if it's just going to be like a family buffet type situation, that's not a problem. Wanted to let you know and say hello to everybody. Hi Carrie, hi Taylor, hi Hayden. We miss you all. All right, talk to you later. Let me know if you need anything in the meantime. I love you.